If you're seeing this on December 3rd, there is a reason. I know that you're meant to hear this message that I'm going to share because Spirit made sure this found you. And it's a big message. So right here we have the star, and I feel like there's divine timing at play here. And when I tuned into the energy of your reading, I saw a coffin. And I saw you opening up the coffin, getting inside and laying down. But you're not dead, you're alive. This is so symbolic, you guys. This is saying that some of you guys have stunted your growth here on earth. You're not living. And you know what I mean by that. You're alive, but you're not actually living. You're not doing what brings you joy. A lot of, for some of you guys, this can look like waking up and just doing the same routine every day to where you're not even like funneling that like lively energy through your body. You're just doing you're doing this like cookie cutter, okay, it's 9 a.m., gotta do this. Now it's 10 a.m., gotta do this, all throughout the day. And it's like you forgot the whole point of life. You're stuck in this routine, and Spirit's saying it's as if you just climbed into the coffin. And that's not why you're here. Feel right here, put your hand on your chest. That is a heartbeat. If your heart is beating, it means you are alive and there's purpose to why you're here. If your soul was like, I'm done, then you would not be here anymore. The fact that you're here, even watching this video, shows that there's so much more that you have yet to live. There's so much more you have yet to experience. And you need to start following more of your passion. And I know you don't have to just, I'm not saying to like quit your job and go crazy, but every day there's something you can do that brings you joy. And you need to start doing that. And you can bend your routine a little bit, bend it a little bit, do something that brings you joy. A lot of you guys are stunted. So with this divine timing, I feel like the stars are aligning for something to change. And when this change happens, remember, Spirit doesn't bring you things that you're not ready for. So when this comes, it means you're ready for it. It means Spirit thinks that you are able to do this. Now the choice is yours. If you're gonna jump on and take this wave to see where it lands you, that's up to you. But Spirit's saying it's coming. This opportunity is coming. What are you gonna do with it? Are you gonna stay where you're at? And I'm also seeing a lot of energy around December 14th. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna take this opportunity, or are you gonna stay in your mundane routine? There's no wrong answer here, okay? Because if you don't take this opportunity, that's fine. There will eventually be another one, but it's just like when you're driving on the highway, you have to wait till the next exit, right? So are you gonna take this exit and see what Spirit has in store for you, or are you gonna keep driving? The choice is yours. Let me know if this resonated for you. I'll see you guys next time.